If you are coming from the diaspora and you are looking to invest in Africa, these are two businesses that will guarantee you at least $10,000 every month. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Motherland Investors, where we bring you the latest opportunities in the motherland. The number one business on this list is water parks. Yeah, I know that sounds mundane, but water parks are making a killing in many African countries. We have a member of this community that just created a water park business in Côte d'Ivoire, and we're all amazed and mind blown by the amount of money he's able to generate every week. This is a business that so many people overlook, but the business concerning kids is always a gold mine. With the rise of the middle class, many families are looking to give their kids the best experiences, those experiences they didn't have, and leisure is one of them. These water parks are actually not that expensive to start, but they can guarantee at least $10,000 every week. So if you are coming from the diaspora and you are looking to invest in a straightforward business, this is something to consider. But don't forget, whichever country you decide to invest in, make sure you do your own research. The next business that should be on your radar if you're an African in the diaspora that wants to invest on the motherland is mobile toilets. Yes, you heard me right. I know this business sounds like shit, but trust me, it's money. And no matter how smelly you might think this business is, the dollar signs will change your mind. Portable toilets are in high demand in most African countries. As we all know, many African countries have a sanitation problem, and especially in the outdoors when there are things like festivals, events, football matches, there's maybe a shortage of toilets. This is where you come in. If you can offer portable toilets on rental, you stand to make a lot of money. This is a business that we are actually doing at the moment, and we're making a lot of money from these things. A single portable toilet can be bought for about $500 a piece, and when we rent it, it goes out for about $100 a day. Do the math. The potential is vast and the time is now to embark on your entrepreneurial journey in the motherland. Check out our video on the best businesses to start in Ghana right here.